Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use your location updates as your new footsteps on Snapchat. This updated feature makes your Snap Map feel more personal, letting your movement show up as a trail of where you've been. Let's walk through how to turn it on. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page, where all your personal settings and options live. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This is where you can customize how Snapchat works for you. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second to spot, so just keep scrolling steadily. Once you're there, tap on Map. This is where Snapchat controls everything related to your Snap Map activity and location sharing. Inside the map settings, you'll see an option called Save New Footsteps as my location updates on the map. Go ahead and check or enable that